Don't get fooled by the all time high in Nifty. Your portfolio continues to suffer, which you are seeing. Nifty is held up by a handful of stocks. That means the market breadth is poor. Today, only the IT sector was up. The trigger is the Dixie or the DXY. DXY is the dollar index which measures the strength of the US dollar against six major currencies. But why does it matter to us? Because when the dollar strengthens, global money becomes cautious. Commodities have an inverse relationship with the Dixie, and emerging markets feel pressure. But IT stocks benefit because a strong dollar boosts their earnings. So the Dixie is not just a currency chart, it's a signal of a global risk on and a global risk off mood. If Dixie rises, markets turn defensive. If it falls, risk appetite returns. Track the Dixie. Keep 100 as the major benchmark for your reference. It silently moves everything in your portfolio.